Hey, have you ever had a situation where you had a bunch of weed, some bud, and you wanted to smoke it, but you didn't have a way to do it? I know that's unlikely now because of the easy access to pipes and vaporizers and papers. And I mean, you can order stuff off the internet. You can go most places and get something. But back in the day, it wasn't so easy. I started getting high back in the 60s. Yeah, I'm that old. And back then, you had sometimes to get really creative. And some of you know what I'm talking about, right? I actually saw a comment on some video where some guy said something about, "Hey, has anybody else ever smoked out of an aluminum can?" And I didn't reach out and ask him, like, how did he do that? But I'm thinking, that sounds pretty creative, pretty desperate. Well, I'm going to show you something that I did back in the 60s that was pure genius, just using stuff that was around the house. And I could still do it now if I had to. And it involves something as simple as this. Something like this we called a dirter. That was the talk amongst us heads that were hanging around together because you could do this. Dur, 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 dur. Kind of dumb, right? Well, we do dumb stuff when we're high. But here's what you can do. This is basically, as I'm sure you figured out, a toilet paper roll left over. So here's what I did. You take this roll and you just take a knife and then you just cut a hole. And I'll see if I can do this without injuring myself. Okay. So it's pretty simple, really. Maybe scissors would be easier. I don't know. Well, here we go. We got a real basic hole. Okay. Then what I did is I went and got some aluminum foil. Okay. Something you can get. You don't have to go to a head shop to get aluminum foil. And by the way, I remember they used to sell rolling papers. They used to sell zigzags in the stores for guys that would roll their own cigarettes. But we had long hair, and when we had long hair and we went into the store to ask for zigzags, I'm talking 68, 69, sometimes they wouldn't sell them to us. We'd have to ask a friend to buy them for us or find some store that hadn't turned us down yet. That's how bad things used to get. So what I did is I just wrapped the aluminum foil around it and created a little bit of a bowl. Now you want enough foil on here, and I probably could have used a little bit more just to kind of wrap it around really well. And then you just take a pin and make some holes, and you could put your bud in there, and then you fire it up. And then when you take a puff, this is like your carburetor. And once you let go, that I should have put more foil on here. I'm out of practice. Okay. I haven't done this in like 60 years. And once you do that with your hand, all that smoke basically takes the back of your head off. Okay. This was a really potent way to get high. So what I want to know is what are some of the things that you did to get creative? Maybe you're still doing this in order to be able to use your flower when you don't have any other way to smoke it. So this is my kind of fun video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to hear some of the stuff you guys come up with. Thanks for watching.